Hi guys, so this first video is our unit exam review part 1, and in this video we're specifically going to go over vocabulary because there was a lot of new words that we learned this unit. So we have a word bank up top and we're going to kind of go through each one and then create an example for it. So the change in y divided by the change in x is the blank. That's what I'm talking about this. That is the slope. All right, and the slope is when we take two numbers and we find the difference and we divide them. So for example, 0 minus 4 is negative 4. That's my change in y. And 1 take away 2 is negative 1. And when we divide those two things, we get 4. That is an example for slope. All right. Number 2. A blank graph has a line that goes through the origin. And we write this equation as y equals mx. So there's no y-intercept in this, and it goes through the origin. That means it is a proportional relationship. All right, and this always has a y-intercept of 0. That's why there's no b value there. So if I were to draw this example, it would look something like this because it's going through the origin. All right. Number 3, a ratio of two values in which the second term is 1. That is what we did in the beginning of the unit, and that is called unit rate. All right, and what we mean by that is it will cost 50 cents for one Oreo, or it takes 25 miles for 1 hour. Whenever we're dealing with a unit rate, we're always talking about that second number being 1. All right, let's take a look at the next one. 4. Blank is the point on the graph where it crosses the y-axis. That is our y-intercept. So if I draw this example, it is still straight like a proportional relationship, but now it is crossing the y-axis at some number. So let's call this number, I'm going to make up a letter for it. Let's call it b. That coordinate is always going to look like 0, comma b. And this is our y-intercept. So no matter what number is that second number, that's what our y-intercept represents. Okay, and lastly, number 5, there's only one word left. So we know what that first blank is going to be. The slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b. Now there's two more blanks, and we already used these words. M stands for the slope, and b stands for the y-intercept. So let's say my example was that my slope is negative 2, and my y-intercept was 3. My equation would look like y equals negative 2 goes with the m, and 3 goes with the b. All right, so in slope-intercept form, we have negative 2x plus 3. All right, and that is our vocab review for this unit. I'll see you tomorrow.